pavement laying. A road basically consists of 6 layers. Embankment at the bottom. Subgrade of approximately 500 mm thickness. Granular subbase of 200 mm thickness, which varies as per design crust. Wet mix macadam layer of 250 mm thickness in 2 parts of 125 mm each. Dense bitumen macadam layer of 100 mm to 150 mm. This work shall consist of construction in a single or multiple layers of DBM on a previously prepared base or subbase. The thickness of a single layer shall be 50 mm to 100 mm. Finally comes the wearing coat of 40 mm or 50 mm thickness. The thickness of the layers depends on the traffic density and design of road crust.